How to verify ID on YouTube. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this episode, I'm going to show you how you can verify ID on YouTube. So in order to verify your ID on YouTube, all you have to do is make sure that your device is connected to an internet service. Now then, to begin with, first thing first, open up a web browser and head over to your studio.youtube.com. While you're on this page, that's going to direct you to the interface, which is going to look something like this. Now right on this page, all you need to do is just go ahead and tap the settings icon located in the bottom left hand side corner. As soon as you do that, a pop-up menu appears. From there, you need to go ahead and tap on channels from the left hand side bar. Once you click on channels, it's going to show you three different options, that is basic info, advanced settings, and feature eligibility. For now, you'll have to go ahead and tap on feature eligibility. Make sure that you have already enabled or that you've already verified standard feature. So when you enable standard feature, then you'll be able to upload videos, playlist creation, and whatsoever. You can go through the statement. And accordingly, in order to verify your ID, moving on with the step number 2, just tap the arrow icon. In my case, I've already verified, but if you verify your intermediate feature, then you'll be able to add more longer videos, customize your thumbnail, and you can also go live streaming. In my case, I've already verified, but if you've not verified, then you'll be able to see an option as verify. All you have to do is just verify your phone number. You'll have to provide in your phone number, and OTP will be sent to an SMS, which you have to enter in. As soon as you're done entering the correct OTP, you'll be notified with a statement stating that you've successfully verified your phone number. Along with that, you've successfully verified your ID. So that's basically how you can verify your ID on YouTube. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.